I am a certified digital coach and consultant along with years of experience as a soft skill trainer. I have an ambition to empower people with digital skills. I am based out of Bangalore. I welcome you for this wonderful course, Microsoft Excel. So I made this course in a very systematic and simple way so that even a layman can learn Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is one of the powerful spreadsheet package available in the market. We use Microsoft Excel to analyze data, to create charts, to create different type of reports, and to create simple calculations. Let us start Microsoft Excel. So to start Microsoft Excel, you can click on Start button and choose Microsoft Excel here. So I have already opened Microsoft Excel. So what I'm going to do, I'm just click here. So when you open Microsoft Excel for the first time or every time, you get this screen. So this left side, you will find the recently created documents. If you want to open one of the documents, you can click here. If you want to open a fresh document, you can click blank workbook. When you click blank workbook, you will get complete Microsoft Excel like this. So in this lesson, I'll just give introduction about Microsoft Excel and different parts of Excel sheet. So Microsoft Excel file is called as workbook. So workbook is collection of worksheets like this sheet 1. If you want to add one more sheet, you can click on this plus mark, you will get next sheet. Here, the main one is called as title bar. The below title bar, what you are seeing, file, home, insert, page layout, formula, this is called as menu bar. Then this side we have minimize, then restore down and close. Then these are different tools which we learn the next lesson. And this is called as name box. And this is formula bar. This A, B, C, D, E, these are called as column headers. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are called as row headers. And this box, what you are seeing, this is called as cell. So cell is nothing but it is intersection of column and row. So B column and third row. So here in the name box, you can see the present cell address, that is B3. That means at present you are in B and 3. That is B column and row number 3, B3. So to move in the worksheet, you can use the arrow keys. This is right, this is down, and this is left, and this is up. And this is called as horizontal scroll bar, and this is called as vertical scroll bar. And here we have normal view, and this is page layout view, and this is page break view. And here we have zoom adjustment. So you can decrease the zoom or increase it. Now I am increasing. Look here. Now I'll decrease it. It is getting decreased now. So now I am increasing. So normally by default it will be kept at 100%. If you want to increase, you can increase little bit, 120, 120. Now it is 140. So this helps you to enlarge the screen size. So now just down, right, up and left. So to insert one more sheet, you can click on this new sheet. Automatically the sheet will get inserted. So if you want to rename sheet, you can right click on this and choose rename. Just click rename. You can type my sheet 1, enter. You want to rename this, right click, rename my sheet 2. Again right click, rename my sheet 3. So like this you can rename sheet. Now you are in sheet 3. If you want to go to sheet 1, directly you can click on my sheet 1. So that's it in this lesson. We'll continue in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.